Okay, so today I'm making my favorite Boston butt. It's Shelly Crisp Henson's recipe. Shelly, if I didn't know I had it, Emmy gave it to me. So easy. Okay, so look, I've browned the Boston butt on all sides. I salt and peppered it generously before I browned it. And got a knife and put garlic deep into the pieces. I slit it really deep and put garlic in there. So now is the easy part, and it's the fun part. A lot of you are not going to like it. I'm going to turn off the heat. You just start adding your pantry. This is where you're not going to like it because I don't have precise measurements. I had beef broth. A lot of times I put chicken broth. So I'm going to add beef broth. I probably ought to turn my fan on, but I think it'll be all right. We're gonna add all this liquid to cover. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. Next, I'm gonna add a beer. Don't put a light beer in there. Put a good full-bodied beer. I've got a Sierra Nevada. So whatever you have in your refrigerator or in your pantry, just add it in there. Look at that bowl. Oh, now I'm so worried now my top's not gonna cover this. I don't usually cook it in this Dutch oven. Got some Worcestershire, and I'm just putting it in there. Put a little on top. Vinegar. I think vinegar is key ingredient. I like apple cider vinegar in mine. You can put balsamic, you can put just white distilled, but do put vinegar. It's an important part. And then I'm gonna add mustard and ketchup, soy, a little Tabasco, but just to where it's. I mean, that was what, probably 1/4 a cup of vinegar. Watch what I do with my ketchup. I just circle it. Of course, the ketchup has vinegar in it too, and sugar. So, I mean, I don't know, that's probably more than 1/4 a cup. Put some mustard in there too. So all these spices so it's never gonna turn out the same, y'all. That's what I hate to tell you, but it's always gonna be delicious. As I said, put your oven to 350. We're gonna put this in the oven at 350 for about an hour and a half. Then we're gonna turn it down to 300 for like 4 hours, maybe even 5. This is a 4-pound Boston butt, bone in. Try to get bone in if you can because it'll keep it nice and moist. Here's my soy. And I'm about done. I think the only thing I haven't added is Tabasco. All right, I'll show you what it looks like in the end.
Delicious.